I will explain about based on my knowledge. In morphology, there is morpheme.
Yes.
Morpheme. Morpheme is the smallest part of a word that has meaning. For example, from word cat, it's from word cat means an animal, and s means more than one or plural. The next one is pre-morpheme and bound morpheme.
Yes.
And bound morpheme. Pre-morpheme is a word that can stand alone.
Yes. The word understand.
For example, is book, cat, while bound morpheme is word that needs to another word to combine. For example,
Is like the word unhappy.
unhappy.
We add the word un or un.
So the un is bound. Okay.
Yes.
So the next one is open and close morpheme. What I know about close morpheme is the morpheme.
Open morpheme.
Yes. Open morpheme. What is
Open morpheme is like open morpheme is like a word that always increasing or developing. For example, is like the part of speech is the noun, verb, adverb, and adjective.
the next one is close morpheme. Close morpheme is the morpheme that the word the small group of words that don't really change. For example, is they, of, and. Next one is and steam.
Yes.
Steam. And steam is root is the base main word or the base word. For example, cat, book, dog.
Yes.
While Muslim the root combined with another morpheme.
Steam is like we combine the so what steam.
Steam.
So steam in my what I make from the PDF is like a smallest part, a part of a pieces and combine with roots. For example, like word unhappy. So the un is the stem and happy is the root.
Next one is affixes.
Affixes.
Affixes. Affixes. There are three kinds of affixes.
What is affixes?
I don't know. Can
You guys know about what is affixes? Affixes. So affixes, based on what I'm reading, PDF is a word that combine with
Affix is a bond morphem, right? I say like governmental. The man is the affix. From what I read.
I really forgot about this one. Just continue what you said.
there are three kinds of affixes. One is prefix. That prefix in the front of word. For example, a word unhappy. The un is prefix.
I think I remember what is affixes. So affixes is like we combine the stem and root. Is that? Yeah, is that? Yes. Continue.
So the happy is root, un is prefix.
Yeah.
Next one is suffix. Suffix, a suffix in the end of word like happiness. Happiness is suffix. The last one is infix. We add infix in the middle of the word. For example, from base word fantastic become fun, freaking tastic. Next, I'm going to talk about word. Word is the smallest unit of sentence language.
Language.
Word is the smallest unit of language that can stand alone and has the meaning. There are types of word. First is open word and then second one is closed word. Open word is open, right? Open.
The two types of the words, simple and
Simple
complex.
and complex. I'm sorry. Simple words and complex words. Simple word only have one morpheme. Meanwhile, complex words have more than one morpheme. For example, the word unhappiness that has three morphemes.
Yes.
The next one is word class or the
Word category.
categories. There are two big groups of word class. First is open word class, open class word, and closed class word. Open class word include a noun, verb, adjective, and adverb. Clause word include conjunction, articles, demonstrative, preposition, comparative, and quantifier. Maybe it's all that I understand about the material.
What about the information?
Because 11 minutes.
Is it okay? Yes. Or we just go to next? We'll continue next. Okay.
I will talk about my summary from what Mr. Hanafi said. I learned about morphology, the study of words. In morphology, there is morpheme. Morpheme is the smallest unit of language that still have grammatical and meaning. In morpheme, there is free morpheme. Morpheme is a morpheme that doesn't need another morpheme to stand alone. Next is bimorpheme. The morpheme is a morpheme that can stand alone without another morpheme. Then there is content morpheme. Content morpheme is a morpheme that carry most of the meaning from language. This is function morpheme. Function morpheme is a morpheme that establish relationship for language so we can understand how everything works together. Next, there is prefixes and suffixes. Prefixes is a morpheme that placed on the front of words like this, in, and then. For example, this disagreement. Then for read, the example is play, watch, read, and next is suffixes. Suffixes is a morpheme that plays in the end of the words, like in, as, last, dearest, loneliness, homeless, etc. I think that's all that I can remember right now. I will end later.
So, explain next.
Can you give me an example? when they can change the meaning of the word. Like
Inflection. Inflection. Just continue.
Example of derivation is when girl in the online it's used for young person. But now the word of girl used for young woman, not person. It's for affix. Three affix I know. First is prefix, second is suffix, third is infix, but the infix word English or in English that have affix.
Me.
Shall I
Yes. Explain.
prefix is the vowel organ that place in front of words like un, second is suffix. Place that end
What about I will not explain. Are you done explaining what you read in PDF? So now I will explain. Okay. So about the morpheme. So morphology is a study about words. So there's a morpheme. So morpheme is talk about a part of words that have a meaning. For example, like the word unhappy. So in unhappy, there's a two morphemes. The first one is the word un, and the second one is happy. Next material is free morpheme versus bound morpheme. So free morpheme is like a word that can stand alone. For example, like the word book, chair, table, just that words, you know. And about the bound morpheme. So bound morpheme is like a word that cannot stand alone, and yes, word that cannot stand alone. For example, like the word un in unhappy. So the un is the bound morpheme. So the next material is about open morpheme. So open morpheme is talk about a word that always increasing and developing. For example, there is a noun, adverb, verb, and adjective. And the next one is clause cross morpheme. So cross morpheme is talk about a word that forgot what is help me. What is cross morpheme?
Cosmorphin like a smallest group of that
Okay, that that is often using something like that. For example, is like pronouns, conjunction, preposition, article, and interjection. The next material is about roots or stem. So roots is the main base or basic of word. For example, like shoes, books, something like that. Just that word. And stem is a part of affixes and combined with roots. For example, is like word we play. So the re is stem and play is the roots. I think that's for stem and roots. The next material is about yes affixes. So affixes is a word that combine with stem and roots. And in affixes there's three important points. So the first one is prefixes. So prefixes is we put the stem in front the words. For example, like word an or re. And the next one is infixes. So infixes is often to use and rarely to use. For example, like the word absolutely. So the infixes is in the middle of roots. And the next material is suffixes. So suffixes is talk about suffixes is we put the word in from before after the roots. For example, like happiness. So the next is the suffixes. And the next material is word. So what is word? So word is the smallest unit of language that can stand alone and have a meaning. And in word there's 2 points. So the first one is simple words or single morpheme. For example, is like a word like just one word for like chair, something like that. And the second one is complex word or multiple morphemes. So it's like for example, it's like word unbelievable. So in the word unbelievable, there's three words there. First one is un, second one is believe, and the last one is unbelief. And the next material is word of class or word categories. So in word of class or word categories, there's 2 points. So the first one is open class. So in open class, there is a noun, verb, adverb, and adjective. And the second one is cross class. So in cross class there is pronouns, interjection, preposition, article, and So the next material is word formation. So word formation that I think there is affixation. So affixation is like we combine the words, we combine the prefixes and suffixes. And the next one is compounding. So compounding is like we combine the word. For example, is like wheelchair, toothbrush, or just something like that. And the next one is
Reduplication.
I don't know what
Blending.
yes, blending. So blending is like we combine a half word. Yes, a half word. For example, is like can you give me some terminology for this one? Okay. Anyone?
Become more.
Okay. I think I remember. Like word branch. So branch is a combination from a word combination from breakfast and lunch. And that's blended. So the next one is clipping. So clipping is talk about we cut the word. For example, it's like word exam. So word exam is coming from examination. And the next example is like the word info. So word info is coming from word from information. And the last one is acronym. So acronym is like we the first letter what?
Letter of sentences, I think, or what?
Oh, yeah.
Organization.
For example, it's like the word TV or AC, something like that. And the last material is derivation versus in what? Inflection. So I think derivation is like what is it? Derivation. What is it?
Make the word,
Change the meaning and change the word class. For example, it's like
drive, become driver,
the word teach, teacher, no, teach and her. So teach is like we teach people. Yes, teacher is like the person who teach them. And the last one is inflection. So inflection is
the word change because of the guy.
yes, the word that change because it's grammatical and they not change the meaning or the class word. For example, can you guys give me the example? I forgot what is one.
And we like the word walk,
Book?
we walk the talk,
What is that?
walk,
Who is that?
and when we walk is the go, is we'll walk. Walk.
Oh,
Walk.
like with ed.
Walk. Walk.
I think that's all for me. What we are gonna do now?
Can I sleep? Can I sleep?
Oh, you can sleep, bro.
We don't sleep.
I'm sleepy.
Maybe I will ask question. Closed morpheme. Open morpheme. Someone? No. I don't know. Because why I asked that question, because it's like so like it's hard to understand, about that material, and I really don't understand about that two material.
So,
Okay.
maybe we just can sit,
See?
sit,
Yes.
sit and silent until Mr. Hanafi come.
Is the room?
I don't know.
I think we should stop.
Free morphine and open morphine.
What is that?
Let me think.
Okay.
Open and free.
You guys?
Maybe it's the same.
Same with what?
Free and open. Maybe
Then why in the model there's two doctors?
I don't know. Maybe we should ask Mr. Hanafi. Look at Jello. They just silent and sit.
Last week, which book that
I don't know. If you ready, yeah,
Absolutely.
ready.
Yeah.
Ready?
I think I'm ready. Because you guys are ready,
Good. How about you guys?
For me, my favorite food is I have so many favorite food. I'm confusing. Top three, okay. The first one is burger Bangor. 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 And the second one
Fast food, fast food.
I think that's
Chicken noodle. Chicken noodle.
Chicken noodle.
Oh, chicken noodle.
chicken noodle.
Chicken noodle.
Chicken noodle. With meatball. Chicken noodle. Noodle chicken.
Oh, okay. Chicken noodle.
I don't know what to say. Maybe what do you do on your free time?
Free time, me.
All of you.
Me. Maybe play game or sleep or go to the gym. Something like that. Just that. What about you?
No. Two weeks lately. Like 2 weeks ago until now, I doing the group called Komah
All this online kind of
online. I earn money from that from Komah like
Koma is like online brand.
online life. So in my free time, I
You do that.
I do that. It's kind of fun.
In my free time, I
Which you like Peacemaker? Peacemaker, you know?
I think I have heard but not watched it yet.
Breaking Bad?
Yes.
Watch it.
I don't know.
Same. I don't watch it.
That's all. What in your free time? What the name is the
You guys have a favorite music? Is there? Or artist or favorite genre? What about Eva? Just Taylor Swift. Which one do you like? The song. Bad Romance.
Korea.
Oh. K-pop.
Then yes, then the Antidote band. Antidote band is like a jazz band from Jakarta.
The name of group is.
The Antidote band.
Oh.
Yes. You should listen to them. They have song.
Maybe you want to make a band.
You don't have a say open.
I just listen what I think it's good. It's good.
Which one?
I listen to the music of Harry Styles
Oh, Harry Styles.
and One Direction
Oh yeah. Okay, that's like One Direction.
and Lewis Capaldi.
Oh.
So
I know that one.
I like it.
For me, I really like listening classic music or like the Beatles or Marvin Gaye. There's so many, but I forgot the. And recently, I really like to listen Frank Ocean and Nicki Hunter and something like that genre like that's
And also like 21 Pilot. You know?
same. No, the new album.
I said before I just listen but
Oh, okay.
I think it's good.
That's my favorite band because they just released a new album maybe about 4 days ago, 3 days ago. You should listen.
Can you sing one song of 21 Pilot?
I can sing, but my voice is so bad. But yes, my voice is so freaking bad. You can sing because no.
I cannot sing.
Yesterday I think I hear you sing a song.
So it is so
You guys graduate 2025, right? All of you. Something. You guys graduate in here is from I forgot. SNBT or
SNBT.
Animal? What about SNBT?
Yes, I already made KTM.
I but not finished. It's coming. Calm down. Yes. When they ask
what
you
is
guys
the last material of morphology?
derivation versus
The derivation and inflection.
Yes.
Derivation and inflection. the question
Yes.
is to make a new word and the new meaning and the new categories.
Yes. What about inflection?
Like
Changing.
we make a new word, but don't change the meaning and what categories it based on grammar.
Good question. I think inflection is like we change the grammar, but we don't change the meaning
We
and
change the word.
we don't change the meaning and the word class. I think
Deflection,
inflection,
inflection and
derivation.
derivation.
Sing.
See.
Okay.
I cannot sing. I can't sing. You can sing.
Yes, I can say.
Can you sing? Can you sing? I cannot.
Why you can say because that we need to learn swim because that's a basic of human.
I always drown him because I can swim.
That's the point, you know. Maybe we just randomly go into the ocean and we can swim.
I just don't go to the ocean.
Why? Ocean is so fun, you know.
Mhm.
Ocean is fun. Beach.
No.
I'm for beach. Beach. Why?
Hmm?
Why you don't like ocean?
I just don't like ocean.
Why?
Why?
I like mountain.
Oh.
You.
But I never fly.
You just like,
I just
like
like.
you guys do
do you prefer? Or what?
I mean going to mountains? Me, yes.
What mountain?
Kalas. Mountain Talang.